Hey, what's up everyone, this is Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to review the new Amazon Fire TV Stick 2019. The Amazon Fire TV Stick is the cheapest streaming hardware that you can buy to watch digital contents on your TV. With the 2019 edition, you will get voice control features and Echo owners can control it via the Alexa. Its app selection is superb, responses are fast and the video quality is good. The remote can control volume, power on TV, soundbar and AV receivers. I am using the Mi TV 4a. Do check the Mi TV 4a review. I will put the link of the video in the description below. I use the Fire TV Stick to play music, watch movies on Netflix and watch YouTube videos on YouTube and Twitch. Who doesn't want to watch Shroud and Choco Taco's gameplay on such a big screen? Personally, I like the Amazon's interface more than Xiaomi's, which is patchable. I will talk about that later in this video. First, let's take a look at the Fire TV Stick itself. The material is plastic. We get the Amazon branding on top. On the bottom, we get all the information about the Fire TV Stick. On the end of the stick, here is the USB port. You will get a USB cable with a charger. The quality of the cable and the charger is really good. The product quality is never neglected. Everything from the design to the quality is top notch. Insert the USB cable into the Fire TV Stick's USB port and do the same with the charging brick. Insert the Fire TV Stick into one of your TV's HDMI port and plug in the charger to a nearest power supply. Make sure that the charger is always on and the Fire TV will not turn on without power because it does not have a battery. With the help of the Fire Stick, you can turn any non-smart TV into a smart TV. You will also get an HDMI extender, so if your TV's ports are too close to each other and there is no space for the stick, just use the HDMI extender. There's 8 GB onboard storage for installing apps, which isn't expandable. 1 GB of RAM and a Dolby 5.1 output with pass-through for 7.1. I have a full setup video on the channel if you want to know how to set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick, link in the description below. The main features of the Fire TV Stick 2019 edition are the voice control and the mute buttons. The remote has these two buttons along with other minimal buttons. The round up and down and side buttons are tactical and resistant to hard thumb press. Except for the voice and mute buttons, nothing has really changed. The material is plastic, the buttons are made of rubber which is really good and the surface is matte finished. The remote is small and easy to hold and it will not slip off because of the matte finished surface. You will get two AAA batteries which you can insert into your remote. The voice recognition is really fast and whether you say Alexa what's the weather like or play Sherlock Holmes on Netflix, Alexa will do anything in just a couple of seconds. It sometimes struggles to pick up my voice because of my accent, but you can set the language to Indian English for better understanding. Overall, I use the Alexa voice feature more because it is easy to find out whatever I want to watch or listen. You can say Alexa play a song and it will play that song or an entire album on Amazon Music. If you don't have an Amazon Music subscription, don't worry, you can still play songs on Spotify for free and you will also get Savan voice assistant feature. You won't be able to install Savan app because Savan don't have a TV app, but you can ask Alexa to play any song on Savan and it will play the song. Yeah, so no app, but not a problem. The operating system is similar to Android. I won't dive deeper into all the features, but the OS is truly amazing. On the top, you will get all the latest titles on Amazon Prime and all other installed apps. Under that, you will get a list of all the apps that you have installed on the Fire TV. And under that, all the contents from all the apps on your Fire TV will be displayed. There is zero system lag, the app opening time is fast and all the apps opens quickly without any interruptions. Coming to picture quality, the picture quality will be according to your TV. If your TV's resolution is 720p, then only 720p videos will be played. So don't buy the Fire TV 4K and run it on 1080p TV. You won't get the YouTube app, but you can open the YouTube from the Amazon Silk browser. It is just like Google Chrome. So here is YouTube. It is exactly like the normal YouTube TV app. There is no lag, no freezing or even buffer issues. As you can see, this is my own video at full HD 1080p and isn't the picture quality beautiful? You can watch live streams, games, movies and YouTube videos on the Fire TV Stick and have a great time. The Fire TV Stick supports Dolby Atmos audio and you can connect Echo and Echo Dot devices as a wireless external speaker. The audio quality is very high. The The audio output is loud, crisp and clear. In terms of video and audio quality, the Fire TV Stick is just great. Here are the pros and cons of the Fire TV Stick 2019. Starting with the pros, the Fire TV OS is very easy to use and it is not complex. You can install a ton of apps from Amazon Play Store like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Web, TVF Play and a ton more. There is no system bugs, no lag and it has a fluid OS. Some of the cons of the device are the remote app for mobile is really buggy. The operating system is sometimes cluttered with suggested videos from all the apps. Other than these, there are no cons. I extensively used the Fire TV for 6 months. This is not a sponsored video, so all the points I mentioned in this video are from my personal experience. So please give this video a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to Bro Smart for more interesting videos just like this one. So as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Bro Smart and I will see you guys in my next video.